In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to reschedule meeting in Outlook calendar. So first of all, open the Outlook app and go to the top left corner and you'll see this calendar option. Just tap on it. Now it will show you all the meetings which are currently scheduled on your Outlook. Now to see the date, we just have to click on this calendar and select the date where you have scheduled your meeting. So my date is this one, which is 1st September. I need to select that. Now it will display all the meetings you have currently scheduled for that date. Now from here I wanna reschedule this meeting. So we need to double tap on that meeting and then it will open the meeting on its own window. From here you can rename the meeting, you can add or remove any participants. Now to reschedule it, we just have to select the date from here. So let's say I wanna reschedule it to 5 September. I can just select that, then choose the timing. So I wanna schedule it for 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Let's go for 6:30, and in case you want to make it recurring, then you can select that option. So basically you can update everything for your meeting on this window. Now to save it, we just have to click on send from here and then our meeting will be rescheduled, and you can see it is currently on 5th September. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.